CallRail Connection Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think phone calls are old-fashioned, but you won't believe what happens next when every call becomes valuable marketing data. CallRail is a call tracking and analytics platform used by businesses to understand where their phone leads come from. It assigns unique tracking numbers to ads, websites, and campaigns so companies can see exactly which marketing efforts generate calls. The surprising truth about CallRail is that it can record, transcribe, and analyze calls, giving businesses insight into customer behavior, sales performance, and missed opportunities. Most people get this wrong. They think tracking calls is invasive. In reality, it helps improve customer service and marketing efficiency. CallRail is best for service businesses, agencies, and local companies that rely on phone leads. The surprising truth is that smarter tracking means better conversions. Subscribe for more honest marketing software reviews that help your business grow.